G'day everybody, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today what I thought I'd do is just a little quick video just to show you all of Paul's system that is all boxed up, ready to be shipped up to him. Now, today is, I'm not sure the date actually to be saying this, but it's Monday and I'm heading up on Thursday to Paul's place in northern New South Wales. The gear behind me here will be picked up, I think it's going to be tomorrow, by the furniture removalist company that do sensitive freight, and that's all going to be driven up to northern New South Wales, and I'll be following it a day or so later. So it's all happening this week. I'll spin the camera around and I'll give you a bit of a look, but just to give you a bit of an idea of, I'm standing up here in the entry hall, and this is all just near the front door. So I'll spin the camera around and you can see everything that is literally, and that's the top of the door there, so you can really get some idea of just what's here, sitting on and that's the front door there. So these are a bit of a look at the boxes. Come back in here and we can see, that's the sort of scope of the size of the system. That's here, and all of that, obviously I've got one little miscellaneous box there that's open, just in case we've got any last minute things before I tape that box up. But everything else is here. It's all essentially ready to head out of here this week. So I'll film some footage of me loading it with Mark, the fellow that is driving the stuff up to Paul. Hopefully tomorrow afternoon we'll put all that together. You'll see all of that, and then we can. I'll show you the whole travelling up to Paul's on the plane, and the eventual setup, and all of this will make part of the series of the Linkwitz build and Paul's system setup. So thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll talk soon. G'day everybody, welcome back to the channel. All right, well, today's the day for the packing up of Paul's system. It's all about to head off in the truck. The truck will be here any minute now. So I'll spin the camera around, sitting here out the front of my house, ready to go. And we've got a couple of really heavy boxes, the base units and the bridges are sitting there. And so all of that is all about ready to head off out of here. I'll do a little bit of film when Mark, the driver, gets here, and it's on its way up there, and I'm flying out tomorrow morning, and I'll meet Mark and the truck with all the gear, I think Thursday night. So today is Wednesday morning. So it's all starting to happen. This sound system is eventually going to get to where it belongs, which is to Paul, and he'll be loving it, and you'll be seeing all of this as it happens. Oh, here we go everybody. All the stuff's in the back of the van, and it's all heading on up to Paul's. So the next time you see me, we'll be up there at Paul's place in Coffs Harbour, and we'll be starting to pull all this out and get it all together so that Paul's got his system sorted out. So I will talk to you tomorrow when I'm at the airport.
G'day everybody, well, I'm on the plane, heading up to Coffs Harbour. We're about 100 kilometres out of Melbourne, heading north, so we should be there in about an hour, a bit over an hour and a half from now. As you can see out the window, beautiful Australian blue skies. All looks really good, and we should soon be there, and then I'll be heading off to Paul's place, and I'll shoot a bit of footage when I get there and show you how everything's going.